What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am gagging, like screaming, because I have the Mikayla X Glamlite palette. When I tell you, first of all, the packaging, can't nobody tell me nothing. Like, you went off with this packaging and the little glitter and stuff. I think this is so beautiful. That's what I have for you guys today. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to my channel and join the family. Come on, like, I want you part of my family, child. But without further ado, guys, let's just get into this Glamlite X Mikayla palette review. This is the palette right here, as you can see. Guys, look at that. That is just so freaking pretty. Like, come on, this is beautiful. I'm gonna prime my lids, of course. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime Eye Primer. Of course, I want something really tacky and white so everything could pop. So let me prime my lids and I'll be right back. All right, so both eyes are primed, of course. I think I want to play with this shade right here called Frisky, this one, and maybe MJ, which is this lavender shade, and maybe just do one of these, or maybe, I don't know, one of these crazy pop of colors, like on. That's what I want to play with. So let's get with it. First, we're gonna go in with the shade MJ right here, and I'm gonna take that and just literally put it all over my crease. Ooh, I'm so excited. So we're gonna take this color right here. Oh, I love this. You don't even have to put that much effort in blending because literally it blends like a dream. All right, so the MJ color is down, and this lavender, ooh, this is a beautiful, beautiful lavender shade. I love this. So to deepen that out a little bit, I want to go into this shade. This one is called Part 2. So I'm going to take this e.l.f. crease brush, and we're going to go into the shade Part 2. And I just want to deepen it before I go in with this baby right here. That I just want to take that and run it right on my crease just to deepen that out a little bit. All right, so I want to go off camera really quick. I'm gonna take the same Juvia's Place eye prep and cut my crease, and I'll be right back so we can finish these eyes, baby. All right, guys, so crease is cut. This is a little bit difficult because it's a little watery for like a nice cut crease, but whatever, I'm gonna make it work. So now I want to go into the shade Frisky right here, and I'm gonna take this fluffy blending brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna deepen out that V and then connect it a little bit. Then I just wanna pack it first. Bring it in and then kind of blend upwards. And then of course we're gonna smoke that out. I'm gonna go back to MJ really quick and just lightly blend that out. All right, so something like this. This looks so, oh my God, so pretty. Okay. Now we're gonna take Frisky, that dark plum color again. We're gonna do the same thing to this eye. Again, I wanna stamp it first and then blend upwards in a circular motion. And then once you get to that point, that's when you're gonna drag it out. Just like that. So I did a little bit of swatching for the glitters, but I don't know which one to go with. All right, I don't care if it looks weird, but I'm going in with this shade right here called Stunning. It's like some greenish, I don't know, it looks green, I don't know, but I want to try it. So I'm just gonna take my finger first with this. Oh my God. Bro. Do you see that? Okay, hold on. This is just so pretty, bro. Oh my God. Like, I mean, the name is Stunning, right? I mean, come on. All right, so now to blend that out, I want to go into this shade right here called Immaculate. We're just gonna blend those two together. Yo, not for nothing, but these shimmers, bro, like, Glamlite, can you like share this recipe, this formula, please? Because holy damn. Wow, that is pretty. All right, so let me do the same thing on the other eye and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the eye look that I created. I added some little wings. I didn't really go ham on wings today, but so I'm actually gonna go and do my face off camera, and then I'll be right back so we could finish the bottom lashes and I could just talk about how bomb this is. So of course, I'm back and face is done. So now we can move on to finishing off the bottom lashes. All right, so I kind of want to mimic just a little bit of what I did up here. So I want to go in first with the shade Frisky, which is this one right here. We're gonna take this little flat brush and really pack that on. So I'm gonna take this on the bottom. All right, so now I want to take a little bit of this shade right here called Pot 2. I'm gonna take this little blending brush, and I'm not gonna take too much. It's just so we could have the little gradients that we have obviously going on top of the eye. And then finally, I'm gonna go in with the shade MJ right here. MJ has literally, oh, I love this color, I love this shade. And with this M508 detailer brush, I want to go into the shade Stunning again and outline the inner corner and kind of connect it just like that. So I'm going to take this ColourPop gel eyeliner. This one is in the shade Piggy Bank, and I'm going to add this to my waterline. All right, so bottom lashes and everything is done. Whew. All right, let's get into this bitty review because I have a lot to say. So this baby right here, when I tell you, I mean, I just did a kind of monochromatic type of purpley look, but I cannot wait to create so much more color. Like, I'm definitely doing a lot of look with this palette. The quality of the shimmers are amazing. Like, I swatched them here. Yeah, like Glamlite. This, honey, I don't even know why Glamlite is not bigger of a brand. Maybe I'm missing out or I don't know too much of it, but holy freaking cow. If you didn't get this palette or you got it and you haven't received it, do not wait to play with this because this is freaking amazing. So yeah, so that is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for coming out and hanging out with your boy. Oh, I'm telling you right now, I'm definitely gonna create a blue look with this because the blues in here are chef's kiss. But again, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, guys.